One of the key design aspects that will bring your living space to the next level is lighting. I'm going to tell you 5 main types of lighting that you can consider using in your home. And when layered together in your design, your home will feel balanced and complete. The 5 types of lighting are ambient, task, accent, decorative, and of course, natural lighting. Ambient lighting is the overall lighting that provides general illumination to a room. It can come from ceiling-mounted fixtures, wall sconces, or other sources and is often diffused to create a soft, even glow. Task lighting is specifically designed to help with a particular task such as reading, cooking, or working on a project. Examples include desk lamps, under cabinet lighting in the kitchen, or reading lamps in the bedroom. Accent lighting is used to highlight a specific feature or object in a room. For example, a piece of artwork, an architectural detail, or even a plant. It can create a focal point and add visual interest to a space, so if you're having trouble creating a focal point, accent lighting just might be the fix. Decorative lighting is used for aesthetic purposes rather than for practical illumination. Examples include chandeliers, pendant lights, or wall sconces that are designed to add a decorative element to a room. And let's not forget natural light. Natural light can be a great source of ambient light and can help create a bright and inviting atmosphere in a room. Each of these lighting types serves a specific purpose and can be used to create different moods and atmospheres in a room. A well-designed lighting plan will incorporate and layer a variety of different lighting types to create a balanced and functional lighting scheme that meets the needs of the space. If you haven't already, like and subscribe for more design tips.